Hi, what's up, Kabalian? This is Mike's V. Numeneses and welcome back to my all new channel, Mike's Chili, and together with me, it's Chili Boy. So we'll talk about him, para sa kanya tong edition na to. Fun muna tayo. And we'll talk about his vaccine. As a first time fur parent, I just wanna share kung ano yung mga natutunan ko as a fur parent kay baby Chili namin. So, as a first-time fur parent, dapat emotionally ready ka to have a pet like Chili. So, what do you need to consider first? Of course, very important po is yung vaccine ng alaga ninyo. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga vaccine na kailangan ni Chili? Before mag-proceed tayo sa vaccine, of course, kailangan natin make sure na deworming muna yung aso. So, merong 3 sessions ng deworming. That includes the 2nd week of the baby, the 4th week, and the 6th week. However, since naibigay na sa amin almost 2 months si Chili, so what we had for him is yung 3rd deworming. And of course, after 3rd deworming, nag-proceed na po siya sa 5-in-1. Ano nga ba ang 5-in-1? 5-in-1 is a vaccine that prevents distemper, and this also prevents parvovirus, also para-influenza, and 2 types of adenovirus or hepatitis, which is very important. Kasi usually, ang nagiging sakit ng batang aso is parvovirus. So, this is very important, guys. This shot is given to a dog twice. So, ang first shot, like for instance, today, after 2 weeks, kailangang ibalik nyo sa vet clinic to have the 2nd shot. Same true with 6-in-1. This is the the 2nd type of vaccine. 6-in-1 is also the same as 5-in-1. However, this includes coronavirus na. So, yeah, kung ang tao is iniiwasan ang coronavirus, ganun din ang pet nating dog, iniiwasan din ang coronavirus. So, same true with 5-in-1. After 2 weeks, ibabalik po natin for the 2nd shot. So, take note, all vaccine na sinasabi ko has 2 shots each. So, the 3rd one would be the 8-in-1, which is, of course, 2 shots. And same true with 5-in-1 and 6-in-1. Include niya yung parvovirus, para-influenza, distemper, but this includes kennel calf vaccine. So sa klase ni Chili kasi masyadong susceptible o masyado siyang lapitin sa calf. So kailangan po ni Chili ng ganitong vaccine. So yep, I will be sharing to you how much this cost, yung mga vaccine. So first, based on what we had with Chili, sinabay nila kasi yung 3rd deworming niya sa first vaccine, which is the 5-in-1. So that cost 1,050 pesos. So, that includes the professional fee already. So, professional fee ng clinic namin is 100 pesos. So, that depends kung ano yung professional fee ng clinic ninyo. Again, sa Ole, ang professional fee nila is 100. But on the first visit, FYI lang po, first visit for Ole is 300 po yung professional fee. Yung masusunod na araw is 100 pesos na po. So, ang 6-in-1 naman is 800. That includes professional fee, of course. And just to let you know na dun sa 2nd shot ng 6-in-1 ni Chili, includes anti-rabies vaccine. So, that costs 1,100 for everything na. And the first and 2nd 8-in-1, which is the 3rd vaccine na, includes the 1st and 2nd KCV, or this is the kennel calf vaccine. That costs 1,450 pesos. And so far, So far, ang nagagastos ni Chilli is 6,550 pesos. Also, pinagawa po rin namin sa kanya is yung anti-tick or anti-garapata para wala po siyang garapata, and that cost 650 pesos including professional fee. So if I added that one from 6,550, ang lahat na nagastos na sa vet clinic ni Chilli is 7,200. So again, that's 7,200. Yes, alam ko po, medyo cost, mahal po yung cost ng pag-aalaga ng pet. Pero consider natin na love natin, na parang pamilya ang pet na aso natin. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo a quick video of his last vaccine, which is 8-in-1 sa Ole Clinic. Watch this, guys. What's up, Kabalian? This is Mike's Vino Meneses, and welcome back to my channel, Mike's Chilli. And with me today, it's Chilli Boy, and last vaccine niya for his vet checkup, which is 8-in-1. So ayan, guys, while on our way to Ole Vet Clinic. So, Ole is located at Parola Cainta Rizal, and siya po yung vet ni Chilli. So, as you can see, ayan, papakita ko po sa inyo yung card ni Chilli. Ayan po ang card ni Chilli, and I'll explain to you guys pagdating sa bahay kung ano-ano yung mga ginawa na sa kanya since, sabi ko na nga ba, October 25. So, based dun sa record dito is October 25 of 2020. Yun po yung unang punta namin sa Ole. So, I think that's his first deworming. And yeah, I'll see you guys later for his 8-in-1. And I think that would be his last vaccine. And afterwards, annually na yung vaccine niya. So, let me just confirm to you later while talking to the doctor. Okay? So, see ya! So, flipping the cam para makita niyo po kami. Ayan, kasama ko si Chilli, and naka-line up na po siya for his check-up and final vaccine. So, we're just gonna confirm this doctor niya, ma'am. We're gonna a bit interview his doctor about his vaccine. So, see ya! So again, Ole Veterinary Clinic is located in Parola Cainta Rizal, and their clinic hours is from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. That is Monday to Sunday, and including holidays. So, all-time round po sila. So, there are these updated safety precautions which is being posted in front of their clinic. So, ayan po. So, sa mga nearby per parent sa Cainta Rizal, highly recommend Ole Veterinary Clinic, which is located again in Cainta Rizal, that is in Parola. So, ayan si Doc Choco, ayun, si Doc Choco, ang unang-unang doktor ni Chilli dito sa Ole Vet Clinic, which is located sa Parola Cainta Rizal. Tama po ba? And you were asking what, Doc?
Yung sa garapata niya.
Yung garapata, so nagkaroon kasi ng gamot si Chilli last December para sa garapata. And yes, lumabas po siya ng buhay sa katawan niya, nag-crawl siya dun sa floors namin. Pero ngayon wala na.
Nasa tulungan na nasa body.
Wala na po. Kasi talagang success yung pagganyan ng garapata.
So, physical assessment naman, okay. Clear ang mata, voice ang ilong, tumaas yung body weight, so magandang indication.
Ilan na po si
nasa 4 kilograms na tayo.
Diyos mio. From 3.5 or 3.something. Yeah, 4 kilograms per kilo. Hindi naman overweight.
Hindi naman kasi growing stage pa naman yung ganun. currently healthy naman ang patient. So, pwede tayo mag-proceed po sa last dose ng vaccine niya, which is 18 and then yearly boosters na afterwards.
Yearly, pag sinabing yearly, that would be January 2022 na.
Except for rabies, kasi kaiba yung schedule niya.
Except for
Rabies vaccine. Kaiba
rabies.
yung schedule niya. And yung deworming and heartburn, kaiba yung schedule.
I hope maririnig niyo siya, pero ang sabi ni Doc is, aside from dun sa vaccine, which is yearly na mangyayari, may rabies siya, deworming, which is like every quarter. Yeah, sabi ko na nga ba, quarterly po siya. So definitely, I think it would be scheduled either March or April of this year. Yung next.
Heartburn din.
And heartworm is January 10, I think. Nakita ko kanina. So yeah, tsaga-tsaga lang, and will explain to you guys lahat ng gagawin nyo sa pet nyo as a first time per parent. I-share ko po sa inyo yung karanasan ko, personal experience ko. And so, ayan, tuturukan na si Chilli for today. At alam nyo naman po si Chilli medyo playful. And nasa tapos na yung vaccine ni Chilli. So as usual, usually kasi pag natuturukan yung aso, natatamlay, nagiging matamlay. Pero in Chilli's case, hindi po siya matamlay at hyper pa rin siya. So, yeah, hello baby. So we'll be going back to the car and let's ask how much yung vaccine. So pumasok na si Chilli sa car kasi mainit dito sa labas. Chilli, how's your vaccine? How's your turok-turok, baby? Saan tinurok? Saan tinusok ang baby? Saan tinusok ang baby namin? Ha? Saan tinusok ang baby namin?
So, ayan. So, dun sa ating heartworm prevention na tinatawag, since kaka-vaccinate natin ngayon at dalawang vaccine na ibibigay, yung last dose ng 18-1 and Kennel Cup, kailangan mag-rest ng konti, at least 1 week yung ating patient before magbigay ng iba pang vaccine or preventives. So, pag-vaccine kasi 2 weeks yan. Pero since kompleto na siya, yung preventive naman yung heartworm, ibibigay natin 1 week after.
So supposedly January 10 kasi yung heartwarming niya. Since na-delay namin yung 18-1, supposedly dapat last Sunday, which is January 3, nangyari ngayon, which is January 8 ba? 8. So, i-move to January 15, which is after 1 week. So, that would be next week. Tama, Dok?
Yes. Para sa mga viewers, especially sa mga may mga bagong puppies, necessary na ma-update yung kanilang vaccine and deworming kasi yan yung sensitive na edad. Pag puppy pa dyan, sila prone sa mga sakit. It's like parvo, distemper, and worms at iba pa. So, maigi madala sa vet para ma-assess na mabuti, mas tama yung mabigay na preventives at saka vaccines.
I truly agree. And let's treat our fur babies like a family. Yun na lang po. Thank you guys. So ayan po, you treat your dog as family or your pet as family, as I do as a first time fur parent. So I hope you guys were able to get some tips on how to take care a pet such as Chilli. Ayan po, Chilli, si Chilli. And that I would be sharing to you his journey, my journey, and his journey as a fur parent and as a fur baby. Makikita nyo po every time ang improvement or kung anong mai-share ko po sa inyo kay Chilli. So, I guess that's it. You say bye-bye for now, Chilli. Bye! Bye, guys! Bye-bye! Don't forget to comment down below kung ano yung naging experience nyo as a first-time fur parent or as a fur parent. Please, please, please.
Don't forget to subscribe, Mike Chilli, and ring your bell for notifications. Salamat kabaluyan!